In this video, I'll be showing you how to add bots to Discord server on mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's really simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on any mobile you have. However, you can't do it within the application itself. So I can't do it in here. All I got to do is go over to my browser of choice. So all I want to do is search up Discord apps like so, and then you're going to find the Discord app directory. So once you go ahead and click on that, you're going to see a bunch of different apps that you can add into your server. So let's say I wanted to add it in YouTube. All I got to do is go ahead and click the plus icon, and then you just got to log into your account, and then it's going to like ask you what server you want to go in. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it, and you could do this with however many applications you want, and then you'll be good to go. So if you want to do YouTube, you can even do certain games like Wordle, which is very popular. And obviously if you want like moderation ones, you can go to more and decide whichever one you want. So if you want moderation and tools, you could do Carbot, which is massively popular. And there's a bunch of other ones like Dino as well and other things like that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.